Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll just unbox this product what I have just received on the Flipkart. See here, this is the product what I am going to unbox. This is the product. What we call this Kerala traditional Ayurvedic uh, crusher or motor. See here, this is my Flipkart order. Yeah, this is the Flipkart order just now delivered today. Okay, delivered today just now. So we'll unbox this, and I got this for, see here, if you can see on my laptop, I got this for 369 rupees. So very reasonable, I believe, but let us check how it is actually. Yeah, because when I use my grinder mixer, which is Thomson 500 watt grinder mixer, that is pretty good. Means the operation to grind masalas or any masala paste or chutneys or whatever it may be, the uh, chutney is pasted into very fine paste. But I purchased this for a special reason. Yeah, see here, if you observe, uh, this is very well packed just to avoid means the transportation damages. They sealed with the very cushionable thing here. See here, this very cushionable thing. I should open this one also. Yeah, I'll try to open this one. Yeah, see here. Okay, I'll keep this aside. This is the smasher, I guess. Yeah, and this is the main one. Mortar, will call this one or something like that. I'll unbox this one also. Yeah, this also is finally packed. I'll just this take it out and I'll show you. Yeah, see here, I really liked about the packing. And see, in the description it is told like it is 2 kgs, but yeah, I feel like maybe this is only 2 kgs. Maybe this is this, what is this, crusher is a little bit more weightage. I have a weight checking machine, but this is a body checking machine. But when I try to place this on this, I couldn't be able to read the exact weightage, but yeah, in the description I'll post it. Okay, and coming to this, before using this, we have to season this, I guess. So on the online, uh, few suggest that we have to place some raw rice and season this, but I don't know how exactly I need to season this. If anyone knows this, please do comment. This would really help me, because I just want to share you this unboxing video. Anyway, if no comments are there, I'll do how you can season this by just doing a small research in Google. I'll just show you in the next video how you can season this. But yeah, a few comments or a few research what I did, they explain something like through raw rice and from sugar, if you season this and then if you use, that would be good. Anyway, I'll clean this, I'll clean and season this, and then I'll use. And please do comment which actually you're using. There are metal also, like aluminum, steel crushers are there, hand crushers. This one. So how many of you are using those products, and how many like these sort of stone Ayurvedic this crusher motors? Okay, please do comment. And yeah, how, I guess this 369 rupees is reasonable for this product. Anyway, I'll tag this product. If you want to check the details, you can check it. And here I will just check 4.2 rating, and the ratings are decently enough good, so that's the reason I purchased this. Anyway, I'll do another video of my experience after I use it for like 2 to 3 times, maybe I can plan for some tomato chutney or something like that with this hand crusher once I season this. So maybe I can upload how you can season this video also, how you can season this before using this. And after like 2 to 3 times if I use this, then I can share my experience on this, how good is this and how good it is useful. And yeah, if you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.